Thinking about building a home NAS or DIY server in 2026, selecting the appropriate operating system for your needs is of paramount importance for performance and data safety. Here in this video, we're going to compare TrueNAS, Unraid, and OpenMediaVault, three powerful systems used on many NAS devices today. First up is TrueNAS, where data safety and security becomes an enterprise-level feature. TrueNAS is installed and you simply log into the web interface where you create pools with ZFS, set up shares such as SMB, NFS, or ISCSI, create snapshots, run VMs and containers, which is literally everything in one GUI. TrueNAS is free for TrueNAS Scale, which is Linux-based, which now becomes the focal point of TrueNAS development, whereas the legacy free BSD-based core product line was discontinued. TrueNAS shines through ZFS, a file system that protects against data corruption with built-in checksumming, automatic RAID, snapshots, replication, and even encryption. In addition to these features, TrueNAS runs native Docker containers, virtual machines, clustering, and even software-defined storage. It runs only on x86 hardware and needs 8 to 16 GB plus RAM. Next, we have Unraid. Unraid represents an innovative solution with many modern approaches to media server use and running virtual machines. You connect your storage units, whatever their capacity is, create a pool, extend gradually, apply parity protection, and work using the convenient web interface. It costs $49 to $249 depending on the chosen annual or lifetime license type, supports XFS BTRF's file systems, and has parity-based unique RAID types. Its unique advantages include the unparalleled flexibility and simplicity of use, ability to use different desk drives, easy virtualization, superb Docker compatibility, and lots of plugins for any possible purpose, ranging from encryption to AI software. Then lastly, we have OpenMediaVault. OpenMediaVault is an easy-to-use and open-source Linux distribution based on Debian. You just download it, set up storage using X4, BTRF's XFS file systems, organize sharing using SMB NFS, control it through the web interface, and configure the necessary third-party plugins such as Docker, ZFS, and SnapRAID. It is a free software, which is open source, allows you to build RAID arrays using M.M or LVM tools, and supports Docker applications either natively or using plugins from the OMV Extra Package repository. The main advantage of OMV is that it is inexpensive and lightweight, requiring minimal resources for operation, which is 1 GB of RAM when idle. So which one is better? TrueNAS stands out when it comes to enterprise-level data integrity and reliability because of the ZFS file system, snapshot, VMs, and clustering functionalities, but it has a complex design and consumes a lot of RAM. The Unraid system is a leader in providing flexible solutions due to its incredible ease of use, support for different drives, Docker or VM support, and parity support, although it does require a paid version or life license starting at $49 and has low sequential write speeds. Finally, the OpenMediaVault is best suited for beginners and low-budget users who want a reliable NAS functionality and low requirements, but with limited VM support and ZFS via plugin.